It is Garrett Richards, 2-1, and a 2.32 earned run average. 1-2. Swing and a miss. Down goes Carter. The prospects for the Astros. 3-2. Foul tipped into the mid. One down. Down goes Marisnik.
It's enabled him to deliver the pitches where he wants it, like that.
Called strike 3 on a 3-2 breaking ball. 2 outs, 4th strikeout for Garrett.
Repeatable mechanics. That's the conversation always.
2-2 pitch. Swing and a miss. Down goes Rasmus. One away. Check swing. He went around. Down goes Castro. 2 away.
That slider, 89. More of a curveball type break to it. Straight down on this pitch.
4th full count for Richards. Grossman went around. Down he goes. 1 down. Helped down. 0-2 again. Swing and a miss. Down goes Marisnik. Back-to-back strikeouts for Richards. Another 2-2. Swing and a miss. Down goes Rasmus. 1 down. Strikeout number 9.
I think that's the exact conversation right there from Ionetta to Richards. How comfortable do you feel throwing a slider here? And I think that was the perfect pitch.
20s once last year. Breaking ball. That is shot to left. A base hit. It'll fall in. Valbuena will be stopped at third. So the Astros have them loaded here. Their first hit of the afternoon. Down goes Gonzalez, 2 outs. Garrett Richards will depart on this Mother's Day to a terrific and much deserved round of applause.